I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating personal information on platforms can sometimes feel overwhelming, but it is usually straightforward. Here is how to do it on Gemini 2026. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Gemini 2026 account using your credentials. This is the first step to accessing your personal information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option, typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings menu, find and select the option labeled personal information. This section contains all the details you can update. Step 4. Update your details. Here you can edit your name, address, and other personal details. Make sure to double check for typos before saving. For example, if your address is incorrect, it could lead to issues with service delivery. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your information, you may need to confirm the changes via email or a notification on the platform. Follow the prompts to ensure everything is updated correctly. I hope this guide helps you easily update your personal information on Gemini 2026. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.